show you this incredible clay mask. You can carry it with you. You can wear it on your body at any time. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know the place to get this one-of-a-kind clay is called Desperate Holdings Real Estate LandMind Spa. I haven't been able to afford a place to stay for a while, but it's okay now because I have this clay. You guys see that? Made of 100% pure San Francisco real estate. This land is a little toxic, but totally sacred. This is the richest land I have ever touched. The crazy thing is, this clay is from the financial district, which is actually too expensive for me to even touch. Like, I wear my real estate everywhere I go because it makes me feel less homeless. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to feel beautiful and not homeless, just check it out. Bye guys.